each sip from your lips. You're kissing me dizzy. I fight for composure, but what fun would that be? The punks and the peasants who dared to impress me, singing desperate daydreams so they could undress me. They vanish completely when I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow forget me. Tonight will you let me?
Hi friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. In today's video, we would like to take you along as we go furniture shopping for our living room. We are doing a makeover of our living room and we are going to be shopping. So if you would like to know what exactly we settled with, keep along so that you see what we chose at the end. Yeah, we had so much fun doing this shopping because you know we get to experience each other's tastes of what colors we want, you know. Also going through the struggle of choosing which style is the best, you know.
So guys, we came with different plans, but reaching here, she wants us to take this set.
Yes.
Yeah, she's changing her mind totally. And all the calculations we made, guys. Imagine. Let me show them the set you want to choose.
This chair. You have not seen it.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, I love it. Like compared to what is around, but also
But
what I want.
We came with a plan.
Yes. We came with a plan. But hey, this couch is stylish. Also, its color is easy to design. So when you're looking for furniture, you also have to consider that.
Okay,
Color.
so let me first show them this and we'll see what they think about it.
Okay.
But also, if we are to take this, we'll have to eliminate my working space. I won't be having a working space. Let me first
You
show
can
them.
be creative.
No, we don't have that space.
The working area.
Let me show. Okay, there we go, guys.
Yeah.
This is the set she wants, guys. This is it. Let me show you from afar. It gives the king and queen vibes.
Yeah, look at this. Let's show them this.
But how you're changing the plan. We come with different plans and now you're like, no, let's take
Guys,
this.
I feel like us taking the other. Okay, we're going to show them the other option also. Taking the other one and this one. I feel like this is better.
That one over there. That
Yeah.
one.
This is the better option than the other one. Or else we wait and you make an order.
But still, we don't want to
But
wait.
still, I don't want to wait. So the waiting.
They have told
I would
us
rather
2 weeks
take
if you
this.
make an order. And she's like, no,
And I
that's
feel
now.
like that's a lot of time. Because you know we are testing something. This is stopping some things from going on. So the waiting also, that's time you get. So this thing has taken us a lot of time, but also finding the perfect fabric. It's not easy. You get and the perfect design.
Okay, so guys, they have more furniture here. We are at Patricia Furniture. It's called Patricia? Patricia Interior World. Interior World.
Patricia's Interior World.
They have plenty of furniture. Last week we were here.
Yeah, honey, show them this. This is what I was talking about, that it is giving things and things.
Okay, let me pass. Let me pass. No, there is no space here. Let's pass there.
One trick that I will share for someone who wants to buy furniture is that first measure the area where you want your furniture to go before you go to buy furniture, because you might go there, you decide the kind of furniture that you want, and yet it won't fit in your space. So much as we really want this furniture, we had to make sure that will it be able to fit in the space that we have. So I'm glad I worked with hubby, and he is good at doing measurements. So he had to measure our sitting room first, and then that is why he is actually saying that we had a plan.
All right, this is the view from here. Come. You come and convince us why. Guys, what do you think? Now, she's so much in love with these two pieces, this thing and the other one.
Yeah.
Convince us why.
But don't you see that? Come and show them the details of the fabric.
Yeah, we can see here.
You see, eh? Yeah, so I feel like this is for me.
Yeah, so guys, tell us which one should we go with? Patricia Interior World there. Okay, there is another one here.
So this is the one that he wanted.
If we are to change,
Yeah.
if we are to change the plan, the plan we came with, may I think we go with this one.
No, honey, because this and the other one is also the same. If we are to take, of course it shall be changed. They sell this one also as a set. Then we would rather take the other one than taking this. Honey, now it's honestly. If you're saying that one, then you'd rather take this than that. Because I feel like the other one is way better.
Really?
Yeah.
Madame. Look at her, she's in love with me. So guys, me, I'm lost for choice. Me,
No,
I'm sticking to the plan we came with. But she's like, no, let's take this. That's the challenge of shopping with women. These guys, your feelings can easily be manipulated.
Yeah, but truth be told, this chair right here is nice.
Well, since she's the woman of the house, I think we shall go with what she decides, what she chooses. So that means, guys, I'm going to be finding another space, maybe in a bedroom, where I can put my working station. But I wanted to be working in the sitting room, but she's now chasing me back into the bedroom.
No, we can still be creative. You never know, because we have not yet put them there. Maybe if we put them there, that is when you can see. What do you think?
Now it's time to find out how much this costs.
Yeah. I know we love it.
Yeah.
But honey,
You like it? It gives you rich vibes, eh?
Rich vibes, also classy vibes.
Okay. That one feels good, eh? It's nice.
But also the color.
Yeah. The color matches the chairs, the sofas. You like it?
Also the quality and the texture.
Guys.
It's heavy.
Congratulations. Congrats, mom. You know congrats, mom? I am Mara's mother. You love it already? Okay. Let's take it if you like it.
Thank you, my love. Thank you, my love. Yeah.
Well done.
Larry has been such a gentleman. He's like, you like it? Take it.
Take it.
Oh, you love it?
Yeah.
Take it. That's my love language of late.
So I also wanted us to take some TV cabinets, but these two cabinets, I don't feel the vibe they are giving. Ndabasiza akabi. Yep. The TV cabinets. They're the ones they have. Guys, now that I no longer have a working space, I feel like I should take this one. This one is very comfortable. You just sit and it holds your weight.
I know.
Yeah. It holds your weight.
Your neck is
Yeah, it's like I'm floating. I'm floating in air. Okay, there we go, guys.
yeah.
This is the set she wants, guys. This is it. Let me show you from afar.
So we were finally done with the shopping. I'm so glad that hubby allowed me to choose this. You can see how happy I looked. I was so happy. So we chose this very fabric that you're seeing and this very style. We also bought a centerpiece. Yeah, I was so happy that we actually did this shopping together. So this is the centerpiece that we chose. It had some bit of gold in it and texture, yeah, as you can see. And also we chose a center table, only that we didn't show it here on camera because we made an order. We didn't find the specific one that we really wanted. We shall be showing you how it looks like. So we also got a TV stand. Hubby didn't find the ones that were at the showroom nice, so we also had to make an order for it. Yeah, so we were to wait for some time for those things to be delivered. We also showed them the designs that we wanted, and yeah, I can't wait to show you how those things look like as well. So that is how our shopping day for furniture and the other things that we needed to revamp our living room. Yeah, I can't wait to show you how it will all turn out together. So that is it. I didn't record the part where they were packing our furniture on the truck to transport it back home. I was so tired. But yeah, that is it for our furniture day shopping. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it helpful or if it inspires you to revamp your living room as well, let me know down in the comment section. We will be so glad to read your comments, and also you can advise us accordingly. That will be so great. Yeah, so see you all in the next video.